Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Ms. Krumholz's virtual online class. You should have created 9 total boxes in 1-point perspective. At this point, I just want to briefly go over how to add windows and doors. So as far as where you're going to be putting them on the boxes, I'm not going to be specific on how many you have to use. I just would like you to try putting some windows and some doors on some of the boxes that you've created. So let's start with doors. Doors and windows are really pretty much the same thing, and I also will go over steps. When you want to make a door on the face, okay, we start with 2 vertical lines because remember, they're parallel to the sides. They should be matching. And the top, in order to cut the height, is going to be matching the top of that box. So we're just going to use a simple horizontal line, I'm sorry. Now, we also would see the inside of a door. So I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to connect it to that vanishing point. Cut this with a vertical line, cut this with a horizontal line. And this would be the area that you go into for, let's say, a doorway, okay? If I were to make a door on the side, I would do a vertical line again, because remember, I want to keep these lines parallel. And then this line would go to the vanishing point. So anything that you are drawing on the sides goes to your vanishing point. Anything you're drawing on the front or the face pretty much matches the shape of the square. Now, in order to draw the inside panel of this door, I take this corner, I go straight in, pull a line down, and then the floor goes to the vanishing point. So these would be the inside walls and the floor, because remember, this is below eye level. So if I'm looking at it from above, I'm going to see the floor. If I were to create a door up here, I would take this corner, connect it, pull down a line, cut it with a horizontal line, and now I see the top part of the inner side of the door because it's above eye level. If I were to make something at eye level, you only see the side. If I were going to make, a big window here, okay, in order to find the middle, you make an X, and this is where your window panes would be. Okay, now I'm not using a ruler, but you all will use rulers. Now take these corners and they go to your vanishing point. And you'll see a little bit of a windowsill. Okay, if you wanted to do steps, this is where they get really fun. So I'm going to show you on the back first. Stairs, okay, there's my horizon line and my vanishing point. If I'm going to do steps, you would start them off. You'll be using a ruler. And all the corners now are going to go to the vanishing point. So you'll use a ruler. And you'll take this line and you'll cut it. And you'll take this line and cut it. 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 This line, cut it. That line, cut it. This line would cut it. It was a little messy there. Do this line and cut it. This line and cut it. So these now are steps in 1-point perspective. So this is the front of the step. And then you would step onto the top. These are the tops where you would put your feet. If I was going to do it from this side, same way. You would just connect everything and then cut it. If I wanted to add steps, let's say here, I could start Okay, and then I would take all of my corners and then I would cut them. Okay, so this is how you can incorporate steps if it's something that you're looking to do. You know, again, I'll do one more. I'll just do 3 basic. Steps can be random. I want you to just have fun with this. Doesn't have to necessarily make sense right now. I'm just looking for boxes, windows, doors, and steps. So you cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Make sense? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Best of luck to you.